All of us are facing some or the other type of crisis today, be it financial or the health issues, etc. So this is the time when we need a business idea that can give us huge profits as well as solve the issues that we are facing. So in this today's video, we are going to share with you one such profitable business idea that you can easily start by taking its dealership or distributorship, because the product we are talking about is everyone's need these days. The product we are talking about is a face mask. Yes, exactly, because face mask is everyone's need, not only in India but all over the world. We all know that hospitals and healthcare workers wear face masks to protect themselves and prevent the spread of disease. But now it has become a necessity for everyone to wear a mask. So why not to think of it as a profit venture and work towards making profit out of it? These days, mask production is in great demand, and therefore the mask manufacturing industry is on the rise. Also, our Prime Minister focuses on making our country self-reliant through his mission Atmanirbhar Bharat. It becomes our sole duty to contribute and come up with small ventures and businesses at individual levels. Ideally, a healthcare worker should switch to a new mask each time when they see a different patient. But shortages of these masks have forced even the doctors and nurses to wear them for longer than they are meant to be worn. Now it is compulsory to wear masks in the public transport, airports, railway stations, shopping malls, and almost everywhere. So in short, masks have now become a part of our daily lifestyle, which cannot be absolutely ignored. Now let me share some interesting facts with you about the face mask. The Indian surgical mask market was valued at $71.73 million in 2019 and is expected to reach $157.13 million by 2027, registering a CAGR of 10.3% from 2020 to 2027. As now it is mandatory to wear a mask in public spaces, the panic buying behavior of the population resulted in a shortage of the masks in the month of March 2020. Besides using it during the pandemic only, this mask can also prove effective for protecting against pollution and other viral infections leading to respiratory problems. The solution to this problem is a face mask made up of durable silicone rubber that can easily be sterilized and used many times and is capable of stopping viral particles and can play an important role in preventing the spread of the viruses. And when it comes to maximizing the reusability of a mask that could be sterilized in many different ways, then surely people would love to pick such a silicone mask. And you know what? One can use this silicone mask for 365 days. We have often see some people have to face many problems while wearing a mask. Sometimes they feel it uncomfortable because of its design, and sometimes the fabric of the mask gets dirty, and the people who wear masks and spectacles together face a one different problem, as fog settles on their glasses, due to which they even cannot see properly through the glasses. Well, we have a permanent solution for you, as this mask is made of silicone, so you can wash it anytime and you can wear it just after washing it. This mask has adjustable straps, so you can adjust it accordingly to your needs. It is quite comfortable too, as it does not touch your nose and mouth, so you won't get irritated and suffocated, and hence you can wear it all day long. You also might have noticed that when we wear our masks for a longer period of time, its shape doesn't remain the same and it gets deformed. But this silicone mask stays the same because of its elastic nature. We must say dealing with such a product is a great option for the business people. So what are you waiting for? Contact on the numbers given in the description box below for dealer and distributorship. Think big, think of a business and fly high. So this is it for this video. We'll catch you soon with some more gadgets and information like this. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and tap to the bell icon to not miss the next upload. So this is Divya from Tegonity Studio. See you soon. Till then, goodbye. Take care.